What's up, guys? I got a Boohooman big order package. It was 50% off. It was March. It was an American sale a couple weeks ago. So everything in here is between $12 and $15 each. So yeah, we're gonna open it, unbox it, and show you what I got. Okay. Okay, so I just unboxed it because everything's here. Got 5 shirts and 2 shirts. So I'm gonna show you the shorts first and the shirts because there's more shirts. And you know these labels right here on the package. Go to my TikTok. I just uploaded TikTok. It seems to go live on my TikTok. TikTok channel is in the description. And you can check out how to remove this label so you can't see me unboxing stuff. Yeah. And here we go. So these are the first shorts. And they fit the 3XL, so I can fit perfectly. And there's string. And I got pockets and sides. No, there's a pocket. No pockets in the back. There's no pockets in the back. Yeah, they fit so good. I don't even have to tie a string in there, so I'll stay up. So yeah, on to the next one. Okay, here's the second one. These ones are a bit lighter because they're gospel short material basically. And both got pockets, and they got pockets. Side, string, tighten it if you want. No pockets on the back. And yeah, this 3XL and it fits good. Nice and light too. Alright, now to the shirts. 3, 2, 1. So here's the first one. You're rap fan, you know this one. Tupac. And once again, all these items, each one was between $12 and $15 on sale price. I got these. I got them on the first day, so I got all the stuff. This is Tupac shirt. Black shirt is 4XL. And the thing about Boohooman, they have a section for small XL, and for bigger people, XXL to 5XL. So it's still 4XL. So yeah, on to the next shirt. So on this one's awesome. Since they have Tupac, you know, yeah, I got a biggie one. This is a 4XL, but maybe like inch shorter, like lengthwise, like going this way. But yeah, nothing on the back. The other one had nothing on the back. It is tag to the side. Okay, next one. So this one, they all fit so far. But this one is the best, I would say. This one's similar to the other one, but maybe a little bit looser. So, and it says Wu-Tang. See that? Right on the back. So they all fit. 3, 4, 5 so far. That's it. So I got 2 more shirts. Okay? Here we go. You guys can load the next one. So this one. Never had a nirvana shirt ever before. And this one fits more like the first one, a little bit longer. Really nice. It fits good. I like the baggies. A little baggy. But yeah. Nirvana has that. Nothing on the back. Now the last one. You guys are all gonna love. No one cannot like this next shirt right here. 3, 2, 1. Okay. There we go. One Love. And this is Bob Marley on the bottom. One Love right there at the top. The Bob Marley. And this one fits like the last one and the first one, which is bigger, a little bigger. But they're all 4XL. Glad I got 4XL because those ones that are 3XL might have been too tight. 2s are a bit smaller. But yeah, these are all the shirts. I hope you enjoy the shirts. The shorts I tried on before these shirts. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, the like button, and check out my music video upload a week ago. From here now. I'll put at the end of this video. Just click on the screen. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to all. And yeah, check out my merch also in the description. All my socials in the description. You can comment down below what you think of the video. And yeah. Peace out. Oh, one more thing, if you're at the end of this video, I got another package in the mail. I forgot what this is there in the last clip, but this thing, this little thing right here in this next video, will change your life if you're a business person on social media. Or on social media. And this is